Jesus Dominguez. Skylar Bergen.
Yes, sir.
Julie Bengoa. Camden Bergen.
Yes, sir.
Adrian Varela.
Yes, sir.
Isaac Garcia.
Yes, sir.
CJ Jones.
Yes, sir.
Nick Dodson. Christina Larson.
Yes, sir.
Faith Large.
Yes, sir.
Brandon Kiever.
Yes, sir.
Madeline Cornelius.
Yes, sir.
Okay, flags are right here, just like at the beginning of every class. We're going to bow to the flags first.
Yeah.
To be a good person.
Knowledge of the mind, honesty of the heart, strength of the body, to make good friends.
Welcome. Have
Nicely
a
done.
seat. Nicely done. Have a seat, please. This is what we call our Tiny Tiger graduation. We're especially excited to see you white belts here. So good to see you. You've never done this before, but it's a lot just like your classes. And then those of you who've been here, look at these. We've got free sparring going on. Yes, and actually we have Winston here today who's moving on to the big kids class too, right? This is his last time in the Tiny Tiger program. Pretty cool. All of you will have a chance to do that as you grow just a little older. Thank you folks for coming. We're going to have fun. Little punching, little kicking. You guys get to clap, make some noise, and they get to show their stuff. So I think we're pretty much ready to get started, right? But let me introduce everybody who's here today. Who's here today?
We're in.
Who's that guy?
Oh, look at it.
Ah, who's here today? You can't hide back there. Please welcome third degree black belt, certified instructor Mr. Nicholas Babin. Fourth degree Miss Amanda Birdwell. Fourth degree Miss Jocelyn Babin. And seventh degree senior Master Babin. So, we're going to start with just a little simple warm-up. Everybody does it.
Good. Everybody stand up, please.
Yes,
Face me. Trip. Opinion.
sir.
Good. Jump on. Yeah. Oh, yeah.